Let's talk about this Keep Going dog first aid kit. Okay, so this kit is actually packed with useful items, you guys. It's not just basic bandages. You've got things like a tick remover, syringe, wrap, paw care items, and so much more. It's all organized in labeled compartments so you can find what you need really fast. Some people want to know, does it include a guide? Yes, it does. Kits like this are designed to be user-friendly, and many include a basic first aid guide or instructions to help you handle common pet emergencies, especially if you're not experienced. The actual case is not fully waterproof, but it is water resistant, which means it can handle rain, spills, or being tossed in your camp or camping gear without everything just getting ruined. Where it really shines, though, is you can use it for minor cuts, scrapes, paw injuries, tick or splinter removal, travel emergencies, so if you're in the car, road trips, any kind of outdoor situation like hiking, camping, lake days, general peace of mind at home. Basically, it's meant to help you handle those oh no moments until you can get to a vet. We were sent this to test out with our dog Bailey. And if you're someone who travels with your dog, spends time outdoors like us, or just likes being prepared, this kit is a really smart buy.